All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Welcome to one of the most popular cases ever brought out. This has got to be one of the best. Wow. This case right here is one of my favorites. So this is my 14 Pro Max, and this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This case right here definitely shoots to the top of the list for me when it comes to best cases for the iPhone 14 Pro Max or 14 Pro. Now this is the purple color, obviously. I have the deep purple phone, so I like the purple. And just, you know, purple isn't my favorite color. I don't know why people would just whatever. I have two favorite colors, but it's not purple. But if it looks good, I'm gonna rock with it. And so my phone is deep purple, so obviously I'm gonna rock the purple case. Now what makes this phone good is because it's MagSafe. It's MagSafe, and it has a kickstand where you can pop this bad boy up like this, and you can get your grind on with a movie. So MagSafe is just one of the most important things today. If you have MagSafe phones, you should really invest in some MagSafe products. I mean, it's just you're gonna thank yourself, you know what I mean? So looking at the back of the case here, this is a design. You kind of got like this full carbon fiber going on at the top up there. See that right there? Looks really sleek. This is the design of this case for quite some time now. Maybe this current year, I think I started to notice this kind of stuff. They brought the MagSafe too. So speaking of the MagSafe, you can see right here, this is letting you know that it is MagSafe. And I will demonstrate that in this video. I will demonstrate wireless charging as well. You can take note of that. So on the sides here, you got tons of grip. This is just a must when you have a case this big and a phone this big. You want to have grip. So you got a little bit of subtle Supcase branding right there. And you got like these ridges that run along the side here. Now they're not deep grooves or whatever, but they just give it that, they give it that protection or that feel in hand that lets you know I'm not gonna drop it. And if I do drop it, I'm set. So let's start on the top up here. Clean up top, obviously, because there's nothing up top. On this side right here, you got your power button, and it is ridged, but it's real subtle. Then again, you have that subtle branding from Supcase. And we go to the bottom. You got the two ports open, and then you got the port covered for your charging. Come on with Type-C already, Apple. And then on this side, you got your port covered for your vibrate and mute switch. Right here. Deeply recessed. I still think about my Project 13, man. Anthony, he cuts these flaps off because they do get flimsy. But if I'm being honest, I've never had any of them go bad on me. I've never have. So I don't cut them off. But if they were to go bad, I would just probably chop them off too. Like a nice razor, get a nice incision on there because this case is totally worth it. So then on this side, you got your volume rocker. And this has a film protector already on it. And so when you get in here like this, the touch sensitivity is on point. So if you're a person who doesn't want to use a tempered glass, and just so you know, I do have a tempered glass on here too, so it works if you're a person who goes in and out of cases and you know you got a tempered glass on your phone and you don't want to take it off, this is it. You're good to go. So the volume rocker, nice and tactile, really good. Little vibration there when you start to press it for the phone, and it looks good. So now let's test out regular wireless charging. Got it powered on, and I know it works because I've already tested it. So regular wireless charging works for those that don't want to invest in MagSafe. I highly recommend you invest in MagSafe though. Now let's go with a MagSafe charger here. This is Anker's MagSafe battery pack, and it's an actual charger. As you can see, I've already reviewed this. You even have a spot back here for your Apple Watch. And obviously it's going to charge with MagSafe because this is a MagSafe product. Now obviously this is a real big one, but I also have a small MagSafe as well. So I just wanted to show you that MagSafe is a must, man. You should get some MagSafe stuff on your phone if you have the new Apple MagSafe setup. So this comes in different colors. This is the purple, and it also comes with this, something that a lot of people just don't like. You get a nice big carrying case belt clip where it goes in like this, and you can sit it up like this. You can put it on your hip. Very snug, very tight. This isn't going anywhere. So fellas, ladies, if you work in an environment where you're gonna need some protection, this is it. Now you also can put it in this way. If you're one of those people, you just want to get your notifications, you just want to look down and you don't have an Apple Watch, you want to look down at your phone or whatever, you can do it this way too. But yeah, that is the purple color. So it does come in different colors, and I have a brand new one right here in black. And the good part about this black one is, so it's like a gray black. The good part about this one is, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Ooh, wee. So if you have the space black, if you have any color, you know what I mean? But look at that gray front on there. Oof, that's beautiful. Yeah. But the good part about this one is right here is this could be yours. So I'm going to go ahead and give away this one right here to anybody in the US. Leave a comment down below if you have a 14 Pro Max, and you'll be entered into the contest. And this is courtesy of Supcase. So enter the contest, leave a comment down below. I hope you watched the video all the way through, and I'll see you in the next video, man. I love it. That is beautiful.